Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst you're hitting the red subscribe button, do please make sure you hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video I wanted to show you some of the pieces that I picked up over the past couple of months. Some are newer in than others, some have had a little while, but I've just not had a chance to do a video. But I wanted to come on today and show you what's in my wardrobe, what's kind of lurking in here. I'm not going to go through everything that I've picked up recently. I probably will do that in a different video. I've got a few new pieces coming in probably next week, but I did want to just come on and do a little bit of a try on and a run through. So the first item is from Zara. So this is very basic, to be fair. It's just a it's coming off a little paler in the viewfinder, but it's more like a stone kind of colour crop top. So I picked this up from Zara in a size medium. It was $11.99. I will see if it's still available. Zara do have a sale on at the moment, so if it's in the sale, well done you. But if not, it is only $11.99, so it's not breaking the bank. But I like this because I thought it'd be really nice to be able to wear both. I don't want to say dressed up, but I would wear this with, say, a pair of tracksuit bottoms, something like that, and the crop top, or I could wear it with a pair of jeans, and if it was just going for drinks, something like that. So I just thought it was quite versatile, and it's not too cropped. It's not going to be showing the six-pack that I'm working on at the moment. It's not going to be showing any of that, but I just thought it was a nice simple basic to add to the wardrobe. And yeah, so that's that, as I say, in a size medium. And then next, sticking with crop tops, I have a thing for crop tops at the moment, which is this linen, but white linen crop shirt from H&M. Now it says it's a natural linen. It was $17.99. I picked it up in a size small. I picked it up in a size small because it's slightly oversized and I didn't want it to kind of overpower me and look too big. So I thought, again, this is something that would look really nice. I am going to probably pair this with a pink skirt that I have also got in this haul from Zara, because as I was pulling out my bits and pieces, I thought, you know what, that'll actually look really nice with that, possibly. So hopefully it does. If it doesn't, you won't see it. If it looks alright, you will see it. But I just wanted, I do have quite a few linen shirts which I think are really nice for the summer and for the warmer months. They're quite light, breathable, all those kind of things. So this, it doesn't have any pockets, no detail whatsoever. It is literally just a plain white cropped blouse. It does have a little dark detail actually on the back here, like a little bit of a vent. But I thought this is something that would kind of continue on in my collection. It's not overly trendy or anything like that. You know, this would be something that I can pull out year on, year out, and it will still, you know, do the trick. So yeah, so that's the linen shirt or blouse, if you like, from H&M. So again, if this is still available, I will leave a link to it in the description box below. Okay. And then next we have another item from H&M. Now these are a pair of cargo pants. Is that what they call them? Cargo pants? Because yeah, they've got pockets. Does anybody even use these pockets? I mean, they have a lot of pockets on. They've got pockets on the back. They've got pockets on each side. Comment in the comment section below. Do you use the pockets on the cargo pants? Does anybody use them? Are they just there for show? I mean, they are functional pockets, but just normally then. Does anybody actually use them for the purpose in which they intended, which is to, yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you use the actual pockets on your cargo pants, if you have any. Anyway, back to the cargo pants. So these are from H&M. I picked these up in a size 12. Now I picked them up in a size up only because I wanted them to fit a little loose. I wanted them to fit quite slouchy. I think I do like the fact that the waist is quite I don't want to say tailored, but I know sometimes with cargo pants you can get a lot of detailing with strips and bits, what you can, you know, which these I kind of liked the simplicity of them, and I think they were quite a nice sleek look. And then on the bottom they also do have some detailing, so you can actually, you know, taper the ankle a little bit closer if that's what you want. And yeah, they feel quite a good quality cotton. I think it's a 20% recycled cotton, which is good. I don't have the price on these on the actual item as I speak, because I do think I picked these up online, so I will leave a link to them again if they're available in the description bar. So take a look down there if you are interested in anything, and let me know so far which is your favourite one. Yeah, so far let me know which is your favourite. Let me know in the comment section down below. That will be really interesting. I could say none of these items I've wore yet. None. No. I need to start wearing my stuff more. I know I do. So I might wear these tomorrow. It's getting quite warm now in the UK. We're actually having a heat wave as I speak. The heat wave is moving across into the UK, and us British people who aren't used to the heat, within 3 days we'll be whinging and crying. Not me, because I love the heat, love it. But the British, yeah, everyone will be whinging. I'll be like, oh, just shut up. Enjoy it while it's here. Just bask in the sun. Anyway, so I won't be able to. In all fairness, I probably won't be popping these on just because it's going to be that hot this coming week, so it probably won't be feasible. However, the H&M linen shirt would be quite nice to be wearing, and also potentially the Zara t-shirt would be a nice addition. I might see either one of those two. I could start with a pair of shorts, be it denim shorts, be it tailored shorts. Either one would look quite cute. But yeah. So anyway. So this, yeah, these are the H&M cargo pants. And then next, this, oh my, I just glimpsed the colour in the viewfinder. This is, oh my god. I think I mentioned in a previous video, I think when I did the Zara haul, I mentioned that I was kind of getting really into colour, brights and stuff. I do colour. I'm not like a neutral kind of gal, but I tend to kind of stick with blacks and I suppose safe colours, if you like. Now, I think I was watching Monroe Steele. This is her fault. If you watch, this is your fault. Because she tried this on and I was like, I don't think I'd finished watching the video before I was on the app. And I must admit, when I actually did go on the app to buy this, it was actually sold out. And I was like, yeah, put me on notification, because as soon as this comes in, I need it. So it's this, the colour is amazing. It's this kind of, I don't know if it's neoprene, it's kind of that kind of material. Don't know what that is. But this is a special edition, so I think it's a limited edition kind of thing. I picked it up in a size medium. It was up there in price, but I just needed this. It was $49.99. So yeah, it was up there, but this, oh my word, look at it, oh, okay. Now this, for me, I see this with, I was thinking the H&M linen shirt, but I feel like it might be a bit too casual, but I am thinking either a white tee with this, to dress it down, with maybe some heels, or even like trainers. I probably could pop on my Alexander McQueen trainers with this, because although it is a long pencil skirt, I think it'd be something that I would be able to just wear quite casually if you want to wear it casual, or if you wanted to dress it up, you're able to dress it up as well. It does come up quite high on the waist, and as I say, it is a size medium. It is a little bit snug, I'm not gonna lie, it is a little bit snug. However, I thought a large would be too big, so I think I'm in the middle of my fitness regime, or fitness journeys, that's what we call it. I'm a longer fitness journey at the moment, so I feel like once I kind of get back into it and I'm on an even keel with the fitness journey, yeah, it'll fit fine. It zips up and everything, but I could do with just a little bit removing from around the waist, not gonna lie. But I do think Monroe Steele mentioned that as well when she had it, that it did run a little bit small. Not making excuses, but it does run a little bit small, just saying, okay? But this, I absolutely love it. I've got so many pink items. I'm having to stop myself now buying any more pink. I just have to, but I just love it. Look at it. Tell me you don't look. Oh, just look at it. Look at it. Honestly. Oh God. I'm going out for drinks hopefully in the next few weeks. So I might even wear this. We'll see. We'll see. And then next we have a little number from Selfridges. So these those of you that watch my channel will know I have a bit of an issue with buying new stuff and then kind of leaving it to one side, and then it'd be there for months before I either wear it or pull it out or what have you. And because I am someone who is true to me, that it's no different with this. It's no different with this. These I bought, what we're now in July as I record this video, and actually it's receipt now. Yeah, the receipt is here. Let me get the receipt out. Let's see how bad this one is. I bought this in. Come on, Anthea. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna do it. There won't be a date on it. What's at the bottom? I forget which website. Oh, it looks like I bought it in April. I bought these in, and we're in now July, and I'm not exaggerating. I bought these and they've been sat in this bag since then. April. Anyway, you're wondering, what is it, Anthea, that you bought in April? What did you buy in April? I'm going to show you what I bought in April. So I was lucky enough to get a gift voucher from my bestest friend for my birthday, and I hung on to it because I'm like, I just want to make sure I get something that I want. I'm not just going to run into Selfridges and just start buying stuff. So I kind of thought on it, and anyway, I managed to pick up a pair of trainees by Fila. So these, I like the chunky-ish kind of look. I like they've got the Balenciaga like really chunky trainers. Now I like the idea of them. I don't think they'll go well with my style and kind of what I wear every day, but I found an alternative. So it's a similar look. I'll pop it up so you can see. It's a similar look. Actually, I'll move it this way so you can see it. Similar look, but it's just less chunk. And I have a pair of Fila, similar colour actually. I wanted the what's the colour? Beigey kind of colour. I didn't want white, but I like the neutralness of this, and I thought it'd work really well. So I picked these up in a UK size 7, and the fit absolutely perfect. As I say, not too chunky. Yeah, and how much were these? I should have checked that, shouldn't I? So these were $84.99. So not a bad price. I was looking at the New Balance ones and I liked them, and I think when I was in Selfridges they did have them there, but I was kind of like, do I like them? Do I prefer these more? And I ended up going for these. So yes, these are, what are they actually called? I will leave links to these in the description box below. They are the Fila Heroics. Okay. As I said, they're in a size UK 7, true to size, really comfortable fit. So yeah, so those are there. So my lovelies, that is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do make sure you hit the like button if you did end up enjoying the video, which I'm sure you did. So, quick, thumbs up. So let me know which out of what I've shown you is your favourite. If you've got any questions on anything that I've purchased as well, you can leave those in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as humanly possible. If you did make it to the end of the video, thank you so much, and I want to thank all my new subscribers as well as my old ride or dies that have been with me from today, Dot, but I do want to welcome all you new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. So if you are watching for the first time and you have made it to the end of the video, join the family. Please do make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you can be notified as well if you hit the notification bell as to when I upload a new video. I am actually going to try and increase my videos. At the moment I do aim to do one a week. It kind of fell off a little bit because I think I had the vid, and so I didn't do a video last week just because I was still kind of recovering and I didn't want to kind of push it. But I think what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to aim to try and do 2 videos a week. I know, I struggle with one, but I feel like I need to push myself. So please do make sure you hit that subscribe button. If there are any videos that you want me to do, or there's anything, any suggestions you want to make as well, you can also pop those in the comment section below. I'm going to stop waffling now, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now. See ya.